Goodman Fielder Global Leader in the Food Industry. Let's discover how Goodman Fielder Global Leader in the Food Industry leverage Celoxis PPM software to streamline processes, reduce GTM time, and enhance decision-making. Goodman Fielder is a key player in the food manufacturing, marketing, and distribution sector, bringing trusted brands like Meadow Lea, Helga's, Wonder White, and Praise to millions of consumers. Headquartered in Australia, Goodman Fielder leads the market with a commitment to quality and innovation. But navigating the complex and highly regulated food sector demands innovation and efficiency. How did Goodman Fielder manage to stay ahead? Operating in a highly competitive industry, Goodman Fielder encountered a variety of challenges that affected their efficiency and market responsiveness. From managing supply chain disruptions to ensuring compliance with regulatory standards, these obstacles demanded a more integrated solution. Supply chain interruptions, such as extreme weather and trade conflicts, threatened timelines and increased operational costs, creating significant pressure. Despite being a pioneer in several product categories, sluggish internal processes made it difficult for Goodman Fielder to fully capitalize on their first-mover advantage. Strict compliance requirements in the food industry further complicated processes, adding delays and increasing the complexity of project management. A shortage of skilled talent in the food industry placed added pressure on Goodman Fielder's PMO, making efficient resource utilization essential. Without a unified system for prioritizing projects, departments often operated with conflicting goals, resulting in misaligned strategies and inefficiencies. Manual tracking and reporting created fragmented decision-making processes, hindering effective governance and slowing down essential strategic decisions. Goodman Fielder's reliance on spreadsheets and manual methods for project management created significant inefficiencies. Disconnected data sources and frequent manual reshuffling of priorities resulted in wasted time and limited productivity. The lack of real-time visibility prevented teams from accurately tracking progress or making informed decisions, resulting in resource misallocation and missed opportunities. Recognizing the need for a comprehensive, scalable solution, Goodman Fielder adopted Celoxis. The platform's extensive capabilities allowed Goodman Fielder to centralize project data, enhance real-time visibility, and streamline resource allocation, driving improved performance across the organization. Celoxis has been instrumental in driving our project management transformation. Its robust features and intuitive interface have empowered our teams to collaborate effectively, make informed decisions, and achieve operational excellence. The adoption of Celoxis fundamentally changed how Goodman Fielder managed its projects, resulting in better prioritization, faster decision-making, and more efficient resource allocation. Celoxis provided a centralized repository where teams could access project schedules, resource utilization, costs, and risks, fostering improved transparency and collaboration. With a threefold improvement in roadmap planning, Goodman Fielder significantly reduced time to market for new products, ensuring they stayed ahead of the competition. Utilizing Celoxis what-if analysis, Goodman Fielder accurately adjusted project priorities in response to market changes, reducing errors by 30%. Celoxis's resource management tools optimized the use of talent and resources, ensuring the right expertise was allocated based on evolving project needs. Celoxis eliminated time-consuming manual data preparation, providing instant access to metrics that allowed executives to make quicker, data-driven decisions. With Celoxis, Goodman Fielder has enhanced operational clarity, reduced costs, and improved project outcomes, all while staying aligned with its mission of quality and innovation. Celoxis has empowered Goodman Fielder to achieve new levels of efficiency, visibility, and innovation, allowing them to transform their approach to project management and drive sustainable growth in a competitive industry. To explore how Celoxis can optimize your business operations and accelerate your project outcomes, book a demo today to experience the power of Celoxis.